Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI crude oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. We are currently down around 3 basis points and we still have 4 hours left in trading. On the 1 hour chart, we could see a possibility of the 1 hour MACD turning negative. On the 4 hour chart, we just got off of overbought territory on the RSI. And on the daily chart, we hit a resistance at the 200-day moving average, this green line, as well as the 150-day moving average. So I do see us moving sideways and halting here for a while, or possibly moving back to support where the 9-day moving average converge right here. And we may fill in the gap right there as well. So there's good possibility we may fall back. But if we were to continue on higher, I would see that a good possibility is us filling this gap right here that dated back to May 22nd. And that is the price of $12.71. So if we were to fill in that gap and move on higher, that price movement is roughly around 3.3% move up. And if we were to find support back down here, that price movement is around 4.7% move down. Onto the next module, I'll compare today's current trend right here with this trend that dated back to April 5th, 2017 to June 30th, 2017. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have in the beginning of the trend, we have it start off right above the middle Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded to touch the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and we made an attempt to touch the middle Bollinger Band right here, but got turned down, quickly reverse and head down lower for several days rapidly, and then we made a quick reversal touching the upper Bollinger Band right here. And on to the next trend in question, we have this. We start off above the middle Bollinger Band right here, and we made a reversal, or we went lower touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here. And then, but in this case, we were able to reach above the middle Bollinger Band much longer at this time, not quite touching the upper Bollinger Band. And then we made a lower low and for several days, and then we made a quick reversal right here. And there is good chance of here as well that we touch the middle Bollinger Band and touch the upper Bollinger Band as well. So you could say that this trend is more forward-looking than the trend in the past, but there's similar patterns. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points as well. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome would also be the same, and forecasts. And the forecast model, I'll go day by day where WTI crude oil went to back in 2017. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. And it looks like back then USO or WTI crude oil was down roughly 2% in 7 days. And here's the line chart that I compared it to. We have the current trend, and overlapping it is the 2017 trend, and they overlap pretty neatly. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.